If you're looking to monitor your website's uptime effortlessly, Browse AI can be the game changer you've been searching for. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to monitor website uptime with Browse AI and why this tool is perfect for both beginners and experienced digital marketers. Stick around because I'll also share how you can use Browse AI for free with some exclusive bonuses at the end. Website uptime is crucial. You don't want to lose traffic, conversions, or damage your brand's reputation because your site went down unnoticed. And that's where Browse AI comes in. It's an easy-to-use tool that automates monitoring for you. But what makes it stand out from other monitoring tools is its simplicity and customization. With Browse AI, you can create monitors for your website and set up alerts, ensuring you're always informed when your site goes down. You might be wondering, what exactly does Browse AI do? Well, it lets you track the performance of any website and monitor uptime without getting lost in complicated processes. Just set up the monitor, and Browse AI does the heavy lifting by checking the website's status at regular intervals. You get notified instantly if there's any downtime, so you can take action quickly. The best part? It's completely beginner-friendly. Even if you're not a developer or a tech expert, you can easily set up monitors for your website, whether it's a small blog or a massive e-commerce store. Browse AI works by simulating real user interactions with your website, checking both availability and response times. It's essentially like having an AI assistant keeping an eye on your site 24/7. This is perfect for businesses that rely heavily on their website's performance and can't afford any unexpected downtime. Browse AI also lets you customize your monitoring according to your needs. You can set it to monitor specific pages, form submissions, or even particular elements of a website. For example, if you're running a checkout process on your e-commerce site, you can track its functionality to make sure that everything runs smoothly. Now, you may be thinking, how does this affect my digital marketing? Well, ensuring that your site is up and running not only improves user experience, but also boosts SEO rankings. Search engines like Google take uptime into account, so consistent downtime can negatively affect your rankings. By using Browse AI, you ensure that your site's uptime doesn't hurt your SEO performance. Plus, when it comes to digital marketing campaigns, you can't afford any interruption. Imagine you're running a major ad campaign and your landing page goes down. This can completely derail your ROI. With Browse AI, you get real-time alerts, meaning you can fix the issue immediately, preventing potential losses from a downed website. The best thing about Browse AI is that it's super easy to start using. Setting up an account is quick, and you can start monitoring websites right away. And right now, you can take advantage of an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below. I recommend clicking it as it gives you more features than the standard trial and lets you see the full potential of what Browse AI can do. To wrap up, if you want to make sure your website's uptime is constantly monitored and you don't want to deal with complicated setups, Browse AI is your solution. And remember, you can use it for free through the exclusive link below. Start monitoring your site with ease and stay ahead of any downtime with Browse AI.